Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see one important OOPS concept interview question. Explain abstraction with example. In Java, abstraction is one of the four fundamental object-oriented programming principles, along with encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So there are four OOPS concepts. One is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. So this is one of the fundamental OOPS concept. So let's see what is an abstraction. Abstraction allows us to define the structure and behavior of objects without exposing the internal details of how they are implemented. It focuses on showing only the essential features of an object while hiding unnecessary implementation of complexities. So what is abstraction? So the important definition we need to understand here is it allows us to define the structure and behavior of an object without exposing the internal details. It focuses only on the essential features while hiding the internal complexities. In practical terms, abstraction is achieved through the use of abstract classes and interfaces. So here is a brief explanation of abstract classes and interfaces. An abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated directly, meaning we cannot create objects of an abstract class. So we cannot create an objects of abstract class. It cannot be instantiated directly. It serves as a blueprint for other classes, providing a common set of attributes and methods that its subclasses can inherit and implement. So here is one of the important point we need to understand. So abstract classes serves as a blueprint for other classes. It provides a common set of attributes and methods that its subclasses can inherit and implement. Abstract classes can have both abstract methods and concrete methods. So subclasses derived from an abstract class must implement all the abstract methods, or they must also be marked as an abstract. Okay, so when exactly we use abstract classes? So when we have anything common set of attributes and methods, if it's subclasses wants to inherit and implement, so in those cases we go for abstract classes. So here is how we define the class. Abstract class shape int x comma y, abstract void draw. This is the method. Okay, abstract method. First method is abstract void draw. It doesn't have any implement details. So the implementation details will be provided by the class which extends this abstract class. Second one is interfaces. An interface is a reference type in Java that is similar to abstract class, but it can only contain abstract method signatures and constant fields. Okay, so interface is similar to abstract class, but it contains only abstract methods. Abstract classes contains both abstract as well as non-abstract methods, but interfaces contains only abstract methods. It allows us to define a contract that classes must adhere to by implementing all the methods declared in the interface. A class can implement multiple interfaces, enabling multiple inheritance of behavior. So a class can implement how many interfaces? Multiple interfaces. So here we see an example of interface here. Interface drawable, and we have a method called void draw. So by default this is abstract, even though if you are not mentioning it here as abstract, this is an abstract. So it will not contain any implementation details. Next, class circle implements drawable int x comma y radius override public void draw. So the main benefit of abstraction is that it allows us to build more flexible, maintainable, and scalable code. It promotes code reusability by creating a clear separation between the interface, how objects interact with the outside world, and the implementation, how they internally work. So other classes can use the abstract classes or interfaces to work with objects at higher level of abstraction without worrying about the internal complexities. So what is the main benefit of abstraction? It allows us to build more flexible, maintainable, and scalable code. It promotes code reusability by creating a clear separation between interface and the implementation. Other classes can use the abstract classes or interfaces to work with objects at higher level of abstraction without worrying about the internal complexities. So hope you understand abstraction, what is a abstraction, and how do we implement abstraction in Java. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my